Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are reviewing the best Instant Pot pressure cookers. Whether you're a busy parent, a foodie, or a meal prep pro, we've got you covered. Find out which model suits your needs perfectly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates on all things kitchen. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Duo offers all the original Instant Pot features: pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, and food warming, with an additional setting for making homemade yogurt. It is available in 3-quart, 6-quart shown, and 8-quart options. The inner pot is crafted from stainless steel and features a 3-ply bottom for even heat distribution, according to the manufacturer. Additional features include a delay start option and a keep warm function. With 2 pressure cook settings, low and high, you can better control the cooking of delicate foods like soups and lentils, preventing them from becoming overcooked and mushy. In our tests, the Duo was one of the few models that produced well-cooked, tender rice instead of mushy rice. Another reason we love the Duo is its affordability. While still offering great user-friendly features, it has a large top handle for quick and easy opening and closing, and extra slots on both sides to prop up the lid when not in use. The detachable cord is a convenient feature if you plan to store your cooker in a tight cabinet. The only downside is the longer time it takes for the pressure to release naturally. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo IP Duo 81 Touch Multi-Cooker. Appliances can be a significant investment, both financially and in terms of commitment. Our pick for best value is the Instant Pot Duo 8-quart multi-use pressure cooker, V5. This model outperformed many others in our tests, making it a low-risk, high-reward option. The 8-quart size is ideal for hosting family and friends, preparing dinners in advance, and batch cooking. Although it lacks some of the newer presets, like sous-vide, this slightly older model performed so well in our tests that we believe it's worth the price. It's suitable for cooks of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. The 8-quart size is recommended for those who regularly cook for larger groups. It's also great as a second pressure cooker, providing the flexibility to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Personally, I use it primarily for this purpose. However, for most people, the 6-quart IP Duo 60 might be a better fit. It can cook for up to 8 people, making it perfect for larger families, meal prepping, and batch cooking for singles and smaller families. The inner pot is made from food-grade stainless steel with a 3-ply bottom, ensuring even cooking and making it ideal for sautéing. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Air Fryer Pressure Cooker. We tested 3 units capable of air frying and sous-vide, but only the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Pressure Cooker excelled at both. The Duo Crisp features 2 lids, one for standard multi-cooker functions, and another with a built-in fan for air frying. It also includes an air fryer basket that fits in the inner pot, allowing for better airflow and flavorful browning. We were impressed by how quickly it air-fried frozen French fries, achieving a crispy texture. For sous-vide cooking, the Instant Pot took some time to heat the water bath, but the resulting steak was tender and perfectly cooked. Setting up the Duo Crisp was straightforward, though beginners to air frying or sous-vide might benefit from reviewing the user manual to ensure proper setup. The Duo Crisp was one of 2 models that cooked rice in under 20 minutes, delivering a good texture that was sticky but not too dry. The pressure-cooked pork and beans came out nearly perfect, though both took slightly longer than average to build pressure. The slow-cooked pork was a bit tough, and the perfect seared chicken recipe from the Instant Pot app did not seat well. Additionally, the pressure build after searing took the longest of any model we tested. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart Pressure Cooker. This mini version of our budget pick offers all the same features without compromising on quality or performance. Unlike typical mini and budget-friendly appliances, which often come with fewer features and less functionality, this model maintains a user-friendly display, robust safety features, and impressive performance across all our tests. In our beans and rice test, this mini Instant Pot excelled, adding beautiful color to the vegetables and cooking the beans perfectly without overdoing them. It also delivered the best results for searing pork, achieving deep caramelization and a springy texture. There are many reasons to love this smaller option. A 3-quart cooker isn't ideal for cooking dinner for a large family, but it's perfect for singles, couples, or side dishes. Its compact size makes it easy to store. While it's not suitable for making bone broth from a Thanksgiving turkey, it's perfect for using the carcass of a rotisserie chicken to make a smaller amount of stock. Pros: very space efficient, reasonably priced, excellent performance. Cons: inner pot spins while sautéing. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 6-quart pressure cooker. Smart appliances with Wi-Fi and app connectivity enable you to control your cooking from anywhere, making this Instant Pot an excellent choice for those with busy lifestyles. Though it is more expensive, this model's set-it-and-forget-it approach ensures you can come home to a delicious meal with minimal effort. The sleek touchscreen display is high-tech yet easy to navigate, and the inner pot handles keep it securely in place. A cooking time bar on both the appliance and the app provides real-time updates. And you can program quick or delayed steam releases for when your food is ready. During our tests, we found that the pre-programmed cook times for beans and rice tended to overcook them, which can vary depending on the types of rice and beans and whether they have been soaked first. However, the machine cooked meat perfectly. This model is ideal if you want to pressure cook, slow cook, make rice and grains, steam, saute, make yogurt, warm food, do at-home canning, and cook sous-vide, all with the convenience of automatic recipe programs and remote control from the app. Despite the higher price, it is a worthwhile investment for the versatility and ease it brings to your cooking.